Hello, my name is Frank Prignoli. I'm an academic tutor for ESL at Brookdale Community College, but I also tutor Spanish, French, and Italian. To make an appointment with me, it's easy. All you have to do is go to my Set More page. When you do that, you can make an appointment. So this is my Set More page. Over here on this page, you can choose the service that you want. You can choose a 30-minute appointment for the language that you're studying and the level that you're studying. You choose the service, you set the date, you put in your info, and you confirm. On the date of your appointment, all you have to do is go back to this page and go to my booking policy. Over here, copy and paste this link into another window, and that'll take you to my tutoring room. You'll wait in the waiting room until I admit you, but I can give you 30 minutes of help so we can go over all the things that you need so that you can do well in your classes and learn a new language. I'm eager to work with you guys. Like I said, I allow you to take up to 2 appointments a week, 30 minutes each, so that way I have a chance to give love to everyone, because again, I tutor 4 languages. I'm here to help you. I can go over your grammar, I can go over your pronunciation, I can go over your writing, I can go over whatever is causing you trouble. I can explain it to you and make sure that you understand it. But it starts with you. You have to make the appointment. You have to be there for the appointment. And I will be there to help you. I look forward to working with you. Just come and make an appointment. It's that easy. Es fácil. C'est fácil. Es facile. You can do this. I'm here with you. Take care, and I hope to see you soon.